Okay, today we're going to look at a bunch of Robot-7 variations. I'm going to start with the original one. This one was made in Japan. You can tell by the crank and also the fact that it says made in Japan. It's an all-tin little robot. It's a paddle foot wheel robot. And it's just got dropped on the floor, but it's still going, so it didn't die. Okay, so that's the original. We're going to start comparing it to some of these ones. These were all made in Taiwan, if I remember right. Yes, Taiwan. Let's take a look at the bottom of this box. Well, the bottom of this box is different. So that's why I collected. I was trying to wonder why I might have collected different ones. By the time this one came along, shilling was getting involved in it. And this one was made for someone else, but still obviously the same basic box. Just they changed the end flaps. Other than that, well, no, there are some differences. The artwork, the fonts, the colors. Front's quite similar. I mean, obviously there's some differences in color and everything. And then there's also this version of the box. And this one is dated 1997. And did it say, yeah, it's still Taiwan at that point. But what I wanted to see was if any of these Taiwan ones had any significant difference other than the key from the Japanese one. They did a really good job. The rivets are different. Rivets on the Japanese one, see the black shadow highlight, and here it's just very round. That's a little bit different. Nose, eyes, mouth, placement, arm, a little bit bolder on the rivet detail again. Oh yeah, there's a big difference here. The Japanese one's more fuzzed out. And this is just a straight line. Oh, and big differences here on these. Robot-7. I mean, they did a really good job of getting close. Rivet details different again. So there are minor differences between the two, but they're very quite similar. And basically work the same. Now let's compare these other ones. They should be the same since they were all Taiwan. Or if not the same, extremely close. Now, they look the same. Let's compare it to this last one over here. Yep. So I wouldn't be able to tell you which Taiwan robot came out of which of the three Taiwan boxes, but I can tell you which one's the Japanese original one. So there you have it. A boatload of Robot-7 wind-up robots.